Hey there, home cooks! Ready to elevate your breakfast game? Today, I'm showing you how to make a delicious fig and walnut jam in just 20 minutes. Perfect for toast, cheese boards, or even straight off the spoon. First up, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of chopped dried figs, 1½ cups of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Simple, right? Let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your chopped figs, water, sugar, and honey. Bring that mixture to a nice simmer over medium heat, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Now, here's where the wonder happens. Once your figs are nice and soft, take a potato masher or an immersion blender and mash it up to your desired consistency. You can go chunky or smooth, totally up to you. Next, stir in your chopped walnuts and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, the aroma! Give it a good stir and let it cool for a few minutes. Finally, transfer your jam into some clean jars. Pop them in the refrigerator and you're all set. This jam will keep for about 2 weeks, but trust me, it won't last that long. And there you have it. A rich, earthy fig and walnut jam that's sweet, nutty, and oh so satisfying. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!